ndị ba ekene m unu biko ekenekwa m Igbo niile dị ụlọ nze m ọzọ biko achọrọ m ka unu gee vidiyo anụnwa ogbo niile ugo nwaanyị gee vidiyo anụnwa ị na-akwadokwa n'ịnụ di gee vidiyo anụnwa si woman ibulu nwoke gocha ntị gị ọfụma na this video ya wụ incident nwoke kpọọ na phone on a live program wee na-akọwa ka nwunye ọnụta si wee na-emegbu ya ka nwunye ọnụta si wee na-akpagbu ya ka nwunye ọnụta according to him us na the woman ji ọgwụ wee jide mana this story ka nwee continuation as engineer okay this story nwee gịnị continuation by the time the second part of this interview pụta may make sure na wetara unu because we need to hear from that woman. We need to hear from that woman because my pastor made me to understand that no man marries a woman to maltreat her. No man marries a woman to maltreat, but we become a victim of our own circumstances. And nwanyị notala nota later became wide and started listening to diverse advices from outside the neighbor. Outside. That's where marriage begins to hit the rock. Nwanyị ihe megide gị wee warranty ya gowa iji ọgwụ jide di gị ka we na-enye gị ihe. Like you according to this man, also na every bit of thing all on alone na Turkey. On ewe Natalia Istanbul. I was talking now ya. Who? Ojogo kwa Istanbul. According to him, Istanbul but Turkey na. Who kwa? Ana manu na news. Me jebera o chokwa ikpojem no wahala. Ka nje kpoli mendo. Me chota ma always but all kala aka. Like $7,000 to $5,000 mana. $5,000 to $7,000 a month. Mana ge. So chomkunu ge no getcha. Una amate from this video. Get in the video and wonder by.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning from here. Good morning from here. My name is Governor Eziokwu. I am live here. I needed to take this lesson home. We must learn from what happened to others. We must learn. My name is Governor Eziokwu. The Shanamites. Pick your lesson from this complaint. This person has complained to an admin here severally, and the admin brought it to my focus. Williams Emeka Clifford, you're welcome, brother. Now, I wish there's any way you can bring down that glass. I wish there's any way you can bring down the glass so that breeze, I can get ventilation. Chi Emela Njoko, good morning, you're welcome. Please, everyone, take a little of your time. Nze Akanobi, Leah, you're welcome. Good morning to you. Learn from this call now. Learn from this. This is a very heartbreaking complaint, and I need you to learn. Somebody called me from Turkey. This man has been calling how his wife sold all his properties, and the man is still in Turkey. The family of the wife. You know, I told you the other time that you should mind the kind of women you bring into your life. Complain carry one person cambo. It's only God that is sponsoring me. Over the night I couldn't sleep. I have to drive all through from Enugu going back to Port Harcourt. And okay, good. I appreciate that. I appreciate. No, leave it open. Leave it open. Leave it open. Leave the boot open. Our car broke down over the night. We jumped over a big gallop. So, all right. We are the mechanic trying to fix it this morning. I wanted to hear from this man. I had to call him back now. This person called me from... I am fine. Queen, good morning. Anthony. I needed to hear this complaint. Hear this and learn. Learning is one undisputable source of real knowledge. All right, good morning from here, sir.
Good morning, Governor Ezioku.
Good morning, this is Governor Ezioku. Can you call me audio? I don't want to show your face on the camera.
It's possible for, if you want to show my face, there's no problem.
No, there's no need showing your face that much. But don't worry, the general public can see that you are real. So go back to audio call.
They are seeing me well.
Yes, go back to audio call, sir. For the sake of your image, yes, just go back to audio call.
All right, sir. Okay, sir.
Turn it back to audio.
No, sir. Yeah, I've gone back to audio.
Okay. So, sir, can you repeat what you told me what you said?
All right, sir. Okay, sir. My name, first of all, I need to call my name.
Well, let me see how I can.
Mr. Michael.
All right, hold on now. Let me drop another WhatsApp number for you. One of my WhatsApp again, so that we can hear you clearly. This one, I think the volume is so down.
Okay.
Just check your WhatsApp right away. This man, no na Turkey. No wine amori umaka abo. 2 children. So the woman at all not tiger, according to the man. The story, I think, should be better in his own mouth, through his own mouth, that you may hear. So, sir, call back this number I've just sent to you now. That's my number again, so that we can hear you clearly. Call back this number now, the number I just sent to you now. Don't mind my look. Even as at this morning, I will be going to the airport. I'll be in Lagos. I'll be in Lagos this morning.
You know, say if you see it
after now, I'll be at the airport. I'll be in Lagos. Leaving Lagos, I'll turn back to Enugu again. Sir, please, if you are watching, kindly call back here, that we may look into this. I don't know. Sorry for my look this morning. I need to... Hey, that's your voice. So, sir, call back. Nigerians are waiting for you. Tell those guys to let those their noise there. Be patient. No one. Ndi banyi si metonye di menyi. Oh, metonye di menyi, brother. Metonye di ma. Igali menyi metonye rima o. Makololo. Metanonye menyi. Let me check something. Okay, the man is here. Okay, sir. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay. So you brought a complaint to me.
Yes, sir.
And you said you have complained to so many people, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you repeat what you told me, sir? Please don't be offended.
All right, sir. My name is Mr. Michael Chukwu, I'm from Enugu State. And
Mr. Michael Chukwu, you're from Imo State.
Enugu State, sir.
Okay.
I'm from Enugu State. Okay, I'm not local government, precisely.
Okay. You're welcome. Where are you calling me from?
I'm calling from Istanbul, Turkey, sir.
From Istanbul, Turkey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. There is something you complained to me.
Oh,
and
yes,
I asked you questions. You said you want the general public, not just my own knowledge alone. You want the general public to say something over it, right?
Yes, sir.
Then, if there's anywhere Governor Ezeoku can come in, I should come in.
You need to come in. That is why I contacted you, because you need to come in. I don't want to hurt anybody. I don't want to stay my hand. I don't want to join them to do evil they are doing. That is why I'm calling you. I've been following your page.
Okay, go ahead, sir. Can you tell us what happened?
Okay, sir. Like I said before, sir, I based in Istanbul, Turkey. My name is Mr. Michael. So I have a wife from Imo State, Umuaka, Ibele, precisely. So we have been together, and we have 2 issues in Nigeria before I left. Getting to Istanbul here, then I thought, according to Bible, that they said that 1 + 1 is what? 1. Then I take her as a wife, and everything that I've been doing, everything that I have been achieving, I've been struggling, I put it onto her own position to take care of it in Nigeria. So my brother, unfortunately, this lady, they hold me seriously with evil charm. I don't know what I was doing then. I thought I was in love with the woman. I don't know what I was doing.
She used charm on you?
She used charm on me.
Okay.
So, and when I was even in Nigeria, she sleeps around. She brings me into my house. And at the end of the day, I will not do anything. When I was in Nigeria, I've been getting to Turkey. Everything that I worked for, I have been sending everything to her. Every damn thing. Then, for the first time, 2012, she woke up one day, because we based in Ibadan. She told me that she wants to relocate to Akwa Ibom. Then I said, Akwa Ibom? Why are you going to Akwa Ibom to do? Why not be in Ibadan? But it's even better than going to that side. We dragged it to the extent that she refused, and the next thing that she packed she called a vehicle and she moved all my property down to Akwa Ibom. I have no choice than to get a house for her. 2 rooms apartment, this mini flat. Yeah, there's double flat downstairs. Landlord will be using 1, then 1 for rent. So getting to the place, I have no choice. It's okay, no problem. Then I rented 2 rooms and parlor for her. She went to the place, spent like I think 4 months. Out of that 4 months, she started having problem with landlord. Landlord said that she wants her to share. Landlord now quit her to leave. Landlord asked her to leave the house. Then, through the friend, the guy that connected me to the landlord, that guy was that guy is an in-law. Yeah, we married. Yeah, the guy married her senior sister. The guy that connected me to the landlord, and they are from the same place, Olu. So when the landlord started making problem with, I said, landlord, this girl is your sister. Why are you making problem? What is the problem? So the man refused to tell me what's going on. To the extent that they went to police station, because I said, okay, man, if you don't want her to stay in your house again, give her her deposit, the deposits. The man refused, but the man thought that she's not. I mean, she will be ashamed of what is going on, ashamed of her art. So my brother, to cut everything short, one day I was but the man refused to tell me what is going on. But I was asking this woman also, what is the problem? He said that the man wanted to sleep with her. But one day I was even speaking with the man. Then the wife of that man was at his corner telling the man, tell this man what this stupid woman is doing. How can a married woman like this be sleeping around with different men, bringing men into our house, even at the midnight when we are sleeping? So I was like, what is the problem? That's when they started explaining everything to me. The problem they're having in the house then was every night men will be coming to the house, shaking, making noise by opening and closing the gates. Got everything. Even her mother herself have to travel from Imo State down to Akwa Ibom. So after the case, they settled everything. She still moved down back again to Ibadan the same week. After that one, then there's a place, a land. Then we bought the land. I said, okay, let's put down a small bungalow there, 3 rooms and parlor. We started the project 2013 and finished it, I think, 2014. I returned to Nigeria 2016. That was 2016 December 16th December 2016. Then getting back to Nigeria, that was when I entered the house for the first time. Since then, no peace of mind. No peace of mind. No joy, no happiness. That 2016, I was crying up and down, running. Sometimes if I'm walking on the road like this, sir. Hello?
Go ahead.
So that 2016, though there is no peace. Then I stayed 2017, then 2018, that's when I traveled back to Istanbul. Then throughout 1 year and 6 months that I spent in Nigeria, no peace. Just sometimes like this, I will come to main road, trying to jump into a car. Sometimes I will be driving on the road, I will just park, looking for something to kill, just looking for weight. Even one of her sisters called me one day and said, what is the problem with you, Daddy Sonto? You came back from abroad and you look fresh. Under 1 month to 2 months, look at how you look like. The lady was referring me like an Ozu Emerembam. Before God and man, Ndidi, last born of her mother. Because she normally comes to my place. Her family, I opened door for everybody, Sha. So the lady was asking me, why do I look like Ozu Emerembam? Can you have a problem? That I was just running up and down, going to pass.
Go ahead.
So I was running up and down, going to some pastors, some men of God. So one day I went to my pastor. I said, Pastor, look at what is happening to me. And I was with this lady. Then after everything, Pastor now prayed for me and said, woman, unless you want to become a widow, if you don't want to become a widow, you better pray well, oh, pray. What she did that day was she just laughed. She just laughed. So not knowing that this woman, her plan was she was just trying to kill me gradually. The same 2017, this woman tried to kill me 4 good times at midnight. Those things happens 2:30, 3 o'clock a.m.
Did you
with the knife.
Excuse me, sir, did you complain to her people?
My brother, the person that even asked me to complain to her people was his in-law, as in the person that married Governor who help me out. The person that married as in her sister, yes. It was that guy that even told me to start shouting. Before the lady made me, I could not talk. With all my giant governors, if you see me and see this lady, now my shoulder self, and she know they talk. Now that guy self, one of her sister husband was the one that even told me, brother, open mouth and start shouting, or else you will just die for silence. Because I know this lady. The lady, I will call the guy name. He will not. In fact, I will call his name. They are from the same village. He said that this lady because that lady have spent some weeks and some months with him. The guy told me, I said, bro, start shouting or else you will die, because I know this lady you are staying with. That's when I started.
outside your wife sleeping out with men, did she commit any other crime? I know what I'm asking.
My brother, no peace of mind. Right from the day she came to my house. And none of her brother, sisters, all of them, they know. None of them that can come out and deny that they don't know. Even her sister voiced out one day in my house. That day she was just pressing me as if that day I was even asking God to come and take my life. Her senior sister, her elder sister, shouted that day and said, "This man have suffered a lot in the hand of my sister." Her elder brother, Chigozie.
Sir, please, I need to be asking you a question according to the people's mind.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You understand? I need to be asking you questions according to what people are imagining here.
Okay, sir. But sir, I haven't finished my story. I'm coming.
No, because of time, people will be going to work. I need you to make 1 or 2 points. The first crime you just mentioned here that she committed was sleeping out with other men.
Okay. Let me just go to the last point, the last crime that bring us to this matter. So the last crime was that was 2019 ending. Then I called this woman. Then we talk. This time, if I call her on video, she don't pick video call. If I send her money, if I buy phone, give her, I don't know. My brother, let me. God.
Hello, sir.
So, my brother, I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you.
The crime we have pinpointed here, even if we have not verified this, is that she sleeps with other men.
My brother, see what I'm trying to bring. This is my point now. So 2019/220. Then I called this woman. What I used to call them, we talk. So one day, after speaking with her, then she gave my daughter a phone. Then my daughter has an opportunity because they have a visitor that my daughter has an opportunity to come out with the phone because she instructed each time I want to speak with my daughter, she don't allow them to go out to speak with me. She always want them to stay in her present and whatever we are discussing. So my daughter could be able to have chance. One fateful Sunday and said, "Daddy, look," and she ran out and said, "Daddy, look at what is happening in our house." My mommy brought another man again in our house called Amo Babatunde. He's a policeman. And since then, this man has been in our house, staying in our house, sleeping in our house all the time. So even maltreating us, even things that you send daddy for us, the man will be the one using it as if he's the one owns those things. Yeah, as if he's our daddy. Daddy, you have to come back, or you have to come back. So I got angry again. I say again, after Akwa Ibom story, after Tunde, after all the things where this woman they do. So by then, Juju don't dey fed now, you understand? So from there, I have to call the mother. The mother was in Ibadan. The mother, beware, you know that kind of family, my brother. Let me not go there. So the mother, they were just upside down. So everything, 2020, that was COVID-19 time. Everywhere was locked down. I keep on shouting, talking to this woman, begging her. Because that 2020, I wanted to come back because of COVID-19. Everywhere, all airports was locked down that period. So I keep on begging her. She refused. I begged her brothers, everybody. I called everyone.
Sir,
she
please,
refused to answer me.
Sir, please, we like going straight to certain things. One, these ones you're still explaining to us, still holds on the cycle of sleeping out. We want to know now.
Okay, sir.
Has she killed anybody? That's number 1 point. 2, did she take any other thing from you before I will suggest something to you? And whatever we are suggesting to you now, we will still take our time to investigate this if they are real. So, what the next thing I want to know is, did she take anything from you and maybe give it to any other man, or she just looking at other men?
Okay. All right, sir. So that was the matter. So then things that are all the property that I got, instead of me to, somebody that is under spare. So all my documents that I'm supposed to put them into bank, I have to put them inside my drawer. So getting back to Nigeria 2021, said okay, because she said that she doesn't want me again. I said okay, as you don't want me, you go away. Let me take what belongs to me. Find out that this woman have already taken all my documents. One of my land at Akala Road, she sold the land. Small lister that I'm using, she sold it. I have a little hostel at UI, Ibadan. They were collecting the money with the man, the police officer, eating the money since then. Rent. I have a shop at Sango.
Money for rent.
For rent, yeah. They have been collecting the money, but 2021, when I returned back 2021, then I collected the place from them and told the tenant and everything. They moved away from there. But my shop, still under her. One of my shop at Power Line, number 14, Power Line, UI Road, Ibadan, still under her care. Getting back 2021, that was the shop that I opened for her and as a boutique. Getting back, she have already sold everything, ran the shop 2 years. Then I wanted to make problem with the lady. They asked me not to make problem. After 2 years again, then this woman still went back again to the shop and collect money from the lady again, because I asked the lady not to give her money. So now all my property, a plot of land, she sold it without my notice.
How much is how much is the worth of that land?
Land there is not less than 7,500,000.
At which states? Ibadan. Okay.
Akala Road, yes. Akala Road.
Okay.
So she sold it. My house, she collected rent for almost 2 years when I was outside. And my shop now, she's still collecting rent for that shop. Then what I'm trying to do now is, please, my brother, I need her to return all my documents. I have run around the police station, all around the Ibadan there, and at the end of the day, she told me that she will use woman power on me. And one of the lawyer there, one of my friends told me that this is what this woman is, and I know everything. So please, I need the help, my brother. Okay. Let her return all my documents.
Okay, sir. There's no problem. That is
what I want.
I have a question to ask here. All the while she left, is she in custody of the children? Okay. Your children, how many are they?
Now you are coming. Two, sir. Two. There are two. She left the children. She chased them away from the house.
She left the children?
Yes. I will send you my daughter's number. So she's 16 years now.
She's 16.
She chased them away, yes. She chased the children away.
Are they in Ibadan?
Yeah, my daughter now is in Lagos with my junior brother because we don't have sister. That is why all these things are like this.
Your junior brother is in Lagos, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I would be in Lagos. Okay. I will be in Lagos at exactly 10:31. I'll be in Lagos.
Okay, sir.
At 10:31 a.m. today. I will be very, very glad,
Okay, sir.
to see that your brother.
Okay, sir.
I will also be very, very glad to have that your wife's phone number. Now, sir, let me tell you,
that is what I want to ask. Let me send you her number. Yeah.
Yes.
I wanted to ask you.
Now,
no. I'm sending it right away.
Yes, sir. No human being has right to bring division in your home, but everybody who comes.
We are not talking of division. What we are talking now is for her to give me what belongs to me and move away with her life.
Okay.
Let her go with the one she have, but the remaining one, let her leave it for me. Okay. Those ones that she sold, let her go with it. Okay. She has been shouting that I'm stupid, I've made her rich. Let her go with the richness that I made her rich.
Okay, sir. I want to inquire something of you. Did you do court marriage with her?
At all, sir.
Okay.
At all. No, I No, there is a no, sir. I don't do any court marriage with you, and I have everybody. Just that I don't want to be wicked. That's why I'm shouting. I don't want to carry that African mind that I have already thrown away in me. I don't want to bring it back.
Okay.
That is all, sir. Please, I need help, sir. I have sent you her number. This is her number. Please, this is her number. I will send you her sister number. I will send you her mother number. I will send you any number that you need. Please, I need help because I want anytime I come to Nigeria, let me have peace. Please, sir.
Okay, sir. I want to ask you another question.
Okay, sir.
How did you discover that you were under spell? What told you? Is there any pastor that told you? Did any pastor tell you or any Dibia told you that you were under spell? Just be open, sir.
Okay, sir. You know, this matter is a long story. I wish it's a thing that I would just, if I start stating this story about me and this lady, it will be like.
No, sir. This is just a question. I want to.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Did any pastor or
yes,
any...
Yes, sir. She said it with her mouth, sir. I'm coming. She said it with her mouth that she have tried to take my life to kill me. It didn't work. That now she's going to destroy. That I will not eat. It will be difficult for me to eat 3 square meals. She said it. I thought it's a joke. Are you listening to me?
Okay.
That is number one.
Okay.
Did you? I'm coming. Sir, I'm coming, sir. Wait, sir. Let me finish this answer. You asked me a question.
Yes, sir.
So I have to give you 1 or 2, 3 evidence to make sure that for you to understand that what I'm saying is truth. So I thought it was a joke. I called everything. Then getting to Nigeria, you know, all these professors, they say, my brother, I can't lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. I know today, church yourself. So then, all the prophecies here are just coming from Tambak. Could you believe that one of my land, there's one plot of land not far from my house. I heard that she want to sell it. When I go to Nigeria, there, I went there. They said I should put a fence and all this blah blah blah. I did it. When the first day I went there, and then I took the workers there, getting to the place, showed them. Then getting back, I had an accident.
Sir,
so that accident,
sir, please, sir, please don't be offended. You know, here in Nigeria, people go to their businesses and everything as early as, and this is about.
I'm coming, sir.
8 minutes.
I'm coming, sir. Let me just call this one short, sir. Let me just call this one, sir. So I had an accident. Then could you believe that this guy, the guy that did the work for me, towards evening, when the guy that cleared the bush for me, coming out in the evening, but the guy is using this machine on a Okada. The guy knows of motorway PIPCs. The guy motor PIPCs. The whole Ibadan fully album. The guy made video. Those are that my phone with problem. Made video. The guy went to the pastor. The pastor said, "Pastor, we say no where everybody saw Anna." And at that place, there is that many law would jail. That they did something concussion there. That a woman did something concussion there. Not only the person who now. Yeah, the man who went there, but the person now can't the ocha. That's one you are not free. You understand? So the guy did it. I even make video. The guy said I should do video. That is ready, and I have every evidence. The woman is open. I even tell the mother, say, why are they killing me? Why are they using charm for me? Even the mother in the front of my gate, the mother can't turn upside down. I can't the mother turn upside down in front of my gate. They are using charm. I don't tell them. They know, even I'm coming back. You know why I'm saying this? I'm coming down to Nigeria to take them to Oracle. This thing we are saying online is I'm just jumping up and down because it's online something and people are watching.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, look at where the problem is coming. Can I tell you the truth? The problem is coming, number one, from one pastor like that. That's number one. Number two, the problem is coming from that oracle you wish to visit. Number three, the problem is also coming from your wife. I have not heard from her. I will hear from her. The fourth person here that is causing a very big problem is that person who gives you information and who gives your wife another wrong information. These two this particular person happens to be the major problem. I don't know the person in particular. You know the reason why I will uphold one crime here only if that is real. When your wife is sleeping out with other men, and when I go, okay, I say come alo, ishidim papotagodi. You understand? So Obroma, from the beginning, when you notice, now when you get upon one, enough from your daughter, direct. Now mommy hana upon mother, abata, enjoy your daughter. Now because no Jeragi village got Neregi so person something. Organa your own family. Once your daughter gets to your own family, you will now ask your daughter before your people there, even if it's on the phone, can you repeat what you told me that your mommy did? Your daughter confidently will repeat that. Then your compound people or your family will hear it. Hence your family hears it from your own daughter, then you have a substantial evidence.
Of course.
You understand?
This thing has been a long story. So, my family have had it.
Another thing here is, you have options that I don't have. The options you have that I don't have is, this option has made Governor Ezeoku weak. That Governor Ezeoku cannot do anything is, you said you will take them to Oracle. Let me tell you, sir. Take them to Oracle.
That is the reason why I call you, sir. That is the reason why I contacted you. You know what you are fighting for.
Sir,
that was the reason why I contacted you.
Two wrongs can never make a right. Two wrongs can never make a right.
That is, I don't want to be wrong, sir.
If you take your wife if you take her to Oracle, let me not say that she's your wife or she's your wife now or she's not your wife. If you take that lady to Oracle and she returns any money or anything, you understand? To those Oracle people, you have another war to fight for 4 years. You know why? The so-called chief priest will swallow those things she may return. And at the end of the day, you will keep battling with those so-called chief priests. Oh, you see those cookies. How much here you will see the worst. And I'm telling you that Obroma, that your wife Nadine and them mother aside already akwim all these DBS nanya go do no now. Only kill love one. And by the time all over one, her working Abia that she has paid in some money. Ibaro de he shake kai nyegi ne ngo juogu engoto kai on small. E got end from that day. Olibo, you know bitter leaf the taproot, right?
Yes, sir.
Always drastic poison, but it's a no 30 minutes. 30 minutes here, no. And they boost so many people. So, sir, wipe away anything I say, wipe away pastor, if for pastor, prophet, prophecy. These people making Lanya, I am telling you on camera, I am telling you here that 95% of Umu pastor bu fake. In a name Nagwage. 99% of Unde Dibia bu Ndioshi and fake.
Okay, sir.
Go and tell yourself that Governor Ezeoku said this truth to you. You will never know until the day you become their victim. That is the day you will know. So if you want your marriage if you want to have peace outside your marriage self, even if in business, in anything, remove prophecy, pastor. Remove Aja. Remove Ebo Afadibia. Or you're taking a problem. Use your wisdom. Okay? Mbrogi sins, you know what I would have done? So that the world would have helped you. Igaracho means monitor that your wife. If it takes you paying money to people, you pay. They will monitor her, get her red-handed. So that when you stand anywhere...
My brother, she did not lie. She's not denying.
No.
All advice you are... Sorry, sir, for cutting you. Any advice you are giving...
I'm talking. They got boy mafia or they got boy intelligent or they got this rugged.
Yes, bro.
I'm a child.
Yes, bro. So more rugged. I don't am rugged to that, but because even
Jesus. No, sir. Even Jesus. It came to some point when Jesus chose to at least display ruggedity a bit. The Bible says in Luke chapter 19, he said, "Bring those my enemies which wouldn't want me to regime over them." He says, "Slay them before me."
Yeah.
That sword
It's true.
Peter Jibupunte Marcus. It was Jesus who ordered him to carry the sword. That's why when I look at pastors in Nigeria are singing a Christians say bukulebe, Christians say mekwalanka, Hebrew traditional person bukulanka. But somebody go to Quran. One day Muslims now with in case of days of battle, Jesus ordered his disciples now with a sword. They brought two and showed him. I think it's also in Luke chapter 19. I may find it and comment it here later. They showed him two swords. They said that they should carry it. Even when Peter cut the ears of Marcus, Jesus did not ask him to throw away the sword. Jesus said, put it back in the shed. There are mechanisms you must put in place for you to be safe. No. So being rugged is not bad. So sir, what will happen is it is my first time of discussing a family on the internet, and because I asked you, can we discuss this so that people can advise? But I would like you to calm down. To every property you've made, let me tell you, all the lion's share. I am telling you, okay, sir. Think about it. Okay,
sir.
Then you wouldn't want
if I fit talk for this social media, people will cry.
Okay, sir, you have the lion's share. Believe Governor Zoku that you have the lion's share. The lion's share is that those your children who loves you, who still believes in you. Their mother can go. My father Nagwakarem that. My father Nagwakarem that. My mother will kill also.
Let me send you all the posts that my daughter. If you can post it. If it's not her, I would have been a dead man since. If it's not her, if it's not my, let me send you her post. She's the one that kept me alive. If you don't know, everything is here. I will show you. I will post it. She has been one consoling me that if it's not you, even there was a day I told her I was not happy. That I'm not happy. This girl tried to kill herself. She was in boarding school then. She was in boarding school, St. Peter.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to find out something. You said the land she sold is at Ibadan, right?
Yes, Akara Road.
Do you know that Governor Zoku can come to Ibadan?
If you can go, my brother, help me for life. This thing we are saying is for life matter, not for all these pastors and those who I have known them already. All right, I have known them before.
See, sir, to cut the long story short, provide me on WhatsApp every information, every address to that place in Ibadan. You said the one she sold, then your witnesses that you bought that place. I did like to meet one or two persons there. This is where we'll start from. If we find out that she sold the land,
it's open. Governor Zoku is not finding out. We have been talking. It's open. If everybody knows, it's open now. This is not the person you are talking to is just. I'm a free man. I can't lie. I don't even know how to talk.
All right. No. I am not calling you a liar. I am not supporting you. I am not supporting her. I am not against anybody. So
for a man calling you in an issue, family issue like you know that man is. I'm not weak. Just I don't want to follow them the way they are. You understand? I'm not weak.
I appreciate
to help me.
I appreciate. Let what I want to control. Brother, just get close. Sit down like this so that you can be a witness to this thing I'm about saying. Hold on, my cousin is here. There was a man from our village, right? Yes. What's his name? That man, Ebara Wunyoko. Obara Wunyoko na Leki here, right? Onyelelem. Yes. The man on a jail now. Unyano they sleep around with men, right? Yes. Name is Behave. This man they send they go from abroad on the area. So if at all the man had told me I wouldn't have allowed that because I would have said already this man Arugesibu village off was a plaster. The man is sick, to all properties owned in Lagos. The man Agabayok, Oburiabo, one other person. One day the wife. The man on a jail now. Yes. Or they ran his believe on out of you no regret. But that man, I would have I got my Tommy like one bad advice, one bad advice now, but I'm again on social media so that talk about all men Nancy. Okay. Once your wife name is Behave, have option B. Is a bad advice.
I'm hearing you.
Where as a bad advice, that's what Governor Ezeoku tells you. How can with a women who will appreciate that your little effort? There are women, you know, a lot of people, they only agitate. Ana make women abuse, but they don't know what women does behind. These things I understand.
They don't know.
I have a man in my street. I have one man in my street. One man on my street.
They don't know.
Wunye na etinye aka, wunye na join ụmụaka ha call this man ezigbo ihe. Until one day I met them. Si unu kukwa this man pam again na this street. Mmeti aka ku unu ezigbo ihe. This man na ebe a na-akpọ Ojoto na my tree. Mpe ya nwere ezigbo ego before. Frustration eme state government anaha all the properties enwe. Ịma mgba otesa achụgbari ndị Igbo na Rivers State after the war.
Yes.
So the little properties that fall to this man due to mpe ya lụkwara nwaanyị onye ikwere, so they connived abịa narasia ha the whole property. This was how this man became poor. Onwewezie mental challenge. After treating the man alọta. Nwunye ya na ụmụaka ya agrap all the rest of the properties. They were selling trucks 911 eji ebugari. They sold it, read the money. The man who hate here. So people pass through a lot. Bad wife was something you should pray never to encounter. And if you have one good wife, appreciate that one. Other easy to be good though. Other easy. Sir.
Oh, Governor Ezeoku, sorry for cutting you. That is what people are saying. You know, I don't want to say everything online because if I say it, some people may see me as a foolish man.
Sir, somebody asked you a question. Somebody asked you a question here.
Sir.
The woman, did she contribute to your traveling?
At all, no. She didn't come to my house with Pino.
When you travel,
she came to my house.
Did you give her a business? Did you open a business for her?
I opened a business for her. I dropped cars for her. Hey God. Now, I opened a business for her.
Let me talk to you and talk to the general public now. As Onyo.
Okay, sir.
Ane buchigidot duhe. Oh, in the village mneku. This enokam kuruna. Ade toka masibi.
I know me.
Ane jefere ebuchi otula nwan. Oge ebupe efere ahụ. Weri ya ka enyi ya nri na somebody nyati ya nri. On that process a na-enyi ya nri, onye ahụ na-enyi ya nri ga na-ele anya n'ike ya ahụ. So there some mistakes you made that I will tell you in the private. I will call you back after now. I just want to leave this program because I have a flight to catch shortly.
Okay.
There was something in Gagwagi on call. I will tell you, but please remove Pastor, remove Dibia for now.
No, we are not talking of Pastor or Dibia. I'm not talking of that. Governor Ezeoku, I have known them before. I have known them before. Even if I would have been the one on social media saying those things you guys are doing over 25 years ago, I have known those things now.
Okay.
I think I have one spirit in me.
The first step Governor Ezeoku is promising you is this: I will speak with her. And whatever she discussed with me will be recorded. You will be a witness to that. Okay?
Okay.
Then while talking to your daughter, you will be a witness to that, but you're not going to say anything on the call. You just listen.
Okay.
On the second thought is, I may go to Ibadan. Hence I get to Lagos if I check my shadows.
Please try go, not me. Please help me. Try reach there so that you can ask questions. You know, say sometimes
I will.
Two people that are having problem, you got to ask questions.
Yes,
you ask from the parents. I will direct you from their brothers and sisters because this thing that I'm saying now, I don't even know how to say it. It's open. Nobody. What I'm asking them, what did I do to this woman? Tomorrow, I still called the mother the other day when I got angry. That was 3 weeks ago over my document. Let this woman, because I heard that she's planning to sell my building. Because she's the one that bought even the building. Even when I came back 2016, the land, the way I built my house, she bought the land with her name. The building, everything, she did it with her name. I saw the document, but I did not even do anything. I thought they say 1 + 1 is 1. That's what I thought too.
All right, sir. I don't want to exhaust all my strengths.
She's from Umuaka. She's from Umuaka, Imo State. former Olu local government, but they are now Njaba, Ible. It's from Umuaka.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will do my best. I'll get back to you. I will be in Ibadan. Did I charge you money?
No, sir. No, you didn't ask anything, no.
Did I charge you money?
At all, you didn't ask money. You didn't ask for card. You didn't ask for sub for subscribe. You didn't ask for anything, my brother.
Okay.
See, I first write you. I first write you last week, but you didn't reply. Before I call you this morning, you didn't charge me anything, no. You did not ask for anything, no.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Governor Zoku will be in Ibadan. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, sir. All right,
thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Just stay careful, eh?
Yes,
stay careful.
All right, sir. I be free man now.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, viewers, be careful. The truth is that you must be careful. Okay? It's very, very important. You must be careful in whatever you do. Just be careful. If you have one good person around you, retain that person. Don't mind what anybody is saying. If you have one good man, stick to that. If you have one good woman, stick to that. Or easy. To be good is one of the most difficult tasks here. Even the system in our nation will not allow you. That, you know why, eh? I was just listening to somebody's conversation this morning when somebody was speaking against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I laughed. I said, nobody will believe Evangelist Ebuka Obi because everybody is almost corrupt. That's why you won't believe him. From your leaders downward. I'm going to wonder about Nigerian police force. You will see how bad the system is. That thing you see happening in Enugu. Do you know that they are aware? Even when it was late, I went to some police authorities there. I went there. And some of them were trying to push around the other way. In a charge him 1 million or 500,000 naira. Even when I say can you give 200, in a charge him high. Now refer come now to a lawyer with a petition. But that place you will go there. If they can't try on me, I've been paying. Some of these things they bill I pay. They are watching, they see the truth. Even here now, they are watching me. Your guy will give order from Abuja. You, as area commander, you will thwart it. Me see Gutonya 500,000. The person now put this money. Can I go back to that? Here about my money, here about my sweat. They go there to say, everywhere they corrupt, everywhere. I wonder if this place will be redeemable. Be very, very careful. This is our country. Over the night, at midnight, I shed tears. Who will stand for what is right? One person, just one person. Every sector, without one sincere person that is at the helm of affairs. Things will change. Things will change. But everywhere they corrupt. Everywhere they corrupt. My name is Governor Zoku. See you in Lagos this morning. The Shanamite.